Well, I don't know how to flip my phone, but this is my ride, the e-bike. Here we go. Look at this. Woohoo! Yeah! Move right along. Nope. Let's get it this way. Cheese! Yeah. Don't have a speedometer yet. Can't determine how fast I'm going, but I'm going, as you could tell. As you could see. Ooh wee wee. Battery still hanging in there. Let's lean against a tree. Let's lean it against a tree, or do this. Yeah. Obviously, got some more mods that I want to do. I want to mount those inside here. My count battery. Ooh. Put them inside here. So if I got to charge it, I can just pop those out. Right now, I got to take this whole case off. There's a couple of screws holding it on right now. So that can get annoying. But that's it. All right, let's get going. Here we are. Whoa. Get on and go. Oh, this is so much fun. So much fun. It's like I don't even want to stop yet. But I'm gonna have to. I didn't fully charge it. Battery's on empty. Brakes work. Yes, I got the pad brakes. This is the first one, so maybe the next one will have the disc brakes. Right now, pad brakes. Yeah. Success.